Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we will see the area chart in Power BI desktop and how to create that. Okay, so let's start. We'll understand what is area chart in Power BI and when to use it. So the area chart emphasizes the magnitude of change over the time, and area chart is same as the line chart that I covered in the previous video, and only the difference is where the area between the x-axis and the lines filled with the color, different color as per the different categories. Okay, so when we have to use it is to show the how one or more groups numeric values change over the progression of the second variable according to the time. So we are able to see the change over the time from you by using this area chart. Okay, so let's see how to create it in the Power BI desktop. So this is the Power BI desktop, and before starting, I have created the playlist for the beginners in the Power BI, and also I have covered some real-time projects and the task in Power BI. So please go and check my playlist. I'm giving the link in the description, and if you have any question regarding, please don't miss to comment it down there. Okay, so let's start. This is the area chart, and we'll create it by adding the fields. This is the field section. Here we can add the fields. So we can see the customer segment. We can set the customer segment in the axis. We can take the product category in the legend, and we can see the cells according. So we'll get this visual. So in this visual, we are able to see the cells by customer segment and the product category. So there are these three categories, and we can analyze this by using this customer segment. So for this consumer, the office supplies, it is showing in the blue, dark blue color. So this is so less than others. For the customer segment consumer, the office supplies sales is lower than others. Okay, and for corporate customer segment corporate, the technology sales is more than others. We can analyze this, okay, from this particular visual, and we can set the formatting to this particular visual from this option, and we can set the legend position, legend color from here, and we can set the x-axis, y-axis color, and the style also from this two option. We can set the secondary axis color and all from that. We can set the colors. We can change these different colors, like we can set the furniture color is in the purple color. Okay, we can do. Okay, and if we have to uh, set the transparency, so we can also set that from here, and we can on the data label so that we can able to see the data label over here, and also the series label option. By after I on this here, we can get the series label option. Okay, we can add the shapes, we can add the image in the plot area by using this particular option. We can set the title for this particular visual. So this is the title cells by customer segment and the product category, and we can set the some style over here. We can set this like yes, and also we can increase the text size of this particular title. Also we can set the border and the shadow to our visual. From here we can set the background for this particular visual, and we can set the transparency also. So in this way we can create the area chart for getting the insights in the from the data, and we'll see the next video on the stacked area chart. Okay, up to that, please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification whenever I upload any videos, and please share my content with your friends and family. And thank you for watching this video.